you guys, it's officially day 5, which means we are at the end of our Green Blender box. I am already ready for next week because this has just been amazing. Today I will be making a matcha latte smoothie. Matcha is really popular, especially out here in LA. I feel like I never heard of it before I came out here, and now it's everywhere. So let's get started. 1.5 ounce of Swiss chard. 1 organic summer squash chopped. 'Squash down! The squash is down! Oh no! Okay, 1 organic squash minus a few pieces chopped. 2 organic dates pitted. 1 peeled banana. 1 cup of rice milk. 1 teaspoon of organic matcha tea. And 1 cup of ice.
Dark leafy greens like Swiss chard are high in beta-carotene, and when combined with the natural sweetness of a banana and dates, they completely disappear into a smoothie, meaning this drink tastes like a sweet treat, but is also good for you. There's also a teaspoon of matcha tea powder, which provides both a boost of natural energy and a sense of focused calmness, all thanks to amino acids.
Well, that's it. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me through this whole week of smoothies. I hope you enjoyed watching and maybe found a few recipes that you yourself would like to try. Big thanks to Green Blender as well for providing me with all of these amazing goodies. I cannot wait to receive my next box. And if you're wondering how you can receive your first box, all the information that you'll need will be in the description box below. Cheers!